Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting permissions and opening your file manager. This makes the files visible. Once done, navigate to the folder containing the song, downloads, music, or the SD card, and find the exact file. You should copy the file to a safe backup location before changing anything so you can restore it if needed. Make sure file extensions are visible. Without the extension, you might change the format accidentally. Now you're ready to rename safely and consistently for tagging later. You long press the song file and choose Rename. Preserve the file extension such as MP3 or FLAC so the player still recognizes it. Once renamed, open a tag editor app if you want embedded metadata updated. Edit title, artist, album, and track number so players sort correctly. Keep a consistent naming pattern like artist title or 01 title to help scanning and playlists. After editing tags, refresh your music app library or rescan storage so changes appear across. You finish by opening your music player and verifying the new file name and metadata show up. This confirms success. If the player still shows the old name, clear its cache or force a media rescan in settings so the system rebuilds the database. If the file became unplayable, check the extension first and restore your backup copy if necessary. You likely removed or altered MP3 or M4A. Once fixed, repeat tag edits carefully and confirm visibility before deleting the backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.